Today we're going to review this men's organizer for dressers, desks, or bathrooms. Now I received this organizer as a gift, and I really love how useful it has been. Now as you can see, it has 7 compartments of different sizes and at different levels, and that can hold anything from larger bottles of cologne to smaller grooming accessories. It also has 2 pull-out drawers, which are convenient to organize and hold things that you want to keep out of sight, but you want to easily find. I use the drawers for tie clips, watches, bracelets, and things that I want to easily find without having to search through the bottom of my dresser drawers. It's made of sturdy plastic. It has an attractive masculine design, and it's pretty simple to clean. All you do is need to run it under the tap and dry it off. It also has holes on the bottom for drainage. You use it in the bathroom. You can use it for razors or toothbrushes or anything that might need some drainage. You can also use it on a desk for sticky notes, pens, small office supplies, charging cables. So its versatility is a really big feature. This is what my dresser looked like before I got the organizer. And this is my dresser after the organizer. You can see all my colognes are easily accessible, nice and organized. I have my watches, bracelets in the drawers, my tie clips and lapel pins in another drawer, and they're all neatly organized and out of sight. And in order to clean my dresser, I just need to pick up the whole unit and dust without having to move every individual bottle of cologne, making my life so much easier. Overall, this is a very thoughtful and practical gift. Now, I hope this review was very helpful, but as for me, this is a definite gotta get.